Hello and welcome guys to our channel Quick Guide. Today I'm gonna show you how to add YouTube on TikTok. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you will be updated with our latest videos in upcoming days. So now let's get into it. First, let's open the app TikTok. Then once you open the app TikTok, go to the option profile. Then you will come to this screen. Now you can click on the option set up profile. Okay, now you can see you have so many options like name, username, bio, Instagram and YouTube. So now we are going to add YouTube. So click on the option add YouTube. So it's loading, so let's wait for a while. Then click on the email ID that you are connected with YouTube. So let's click on this option and then choose the YouTube account. So my YouTube account is this one, the down one, so I just clicked on it. Then TikTok is just trying to make sure that this is the YouTube, and it is telling us to either allow or cancel. So it's up to you. If you want to allow, let's allow. If you want to cancel, let's cancel. But now I'm going to allow, so let's click on it. Then it's loading and let's wait for a while until we see any changes happening over here. And then I guess we have successfully completed adding the YouTube on TikTok. Otherwise we can just check on this YouTube option over here just next to the setup profile. So let's click on it. Hopefully we can see, yes, my channel is opening. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you again in another episode of Quick Guide. Until then, have a great day.